What's up, beer seekers? Steve here with BeerSighted, and tonight we are excited because we received our first package here today. Came from our friends at Moat Mountain. Steve and Hannah up at Moat Mountain have been great. They're the owners, founders, operators, all that stuff. So let me set this up here and we're gonna dig into this package. They sent this to us. We started working with them about a month or two ago, and they were the first to join us on our Industry Insiders video. You can find that on YouTube. They shared it, we shared it on social, so go look for it. We're gonna open up some cool Moat Mountain stuff right now. I have no idea what's in this box. I've not looked at it. My wife opened it for me, and just so I spared you of watching me flip out at the box while I was trying to open it. So here we are. So, let's see what we got, folks. This is exciting. All right, first up, we've got a Koozie, Moat Mountain Koozie. Fun colors, like the logo. There you go. Gonna need that. It's like 100 degrees outside, condensation flying everywhere. Can't have it. Gotta have a Koozie. So there's that one. Good stuff. Next up, we got stickers. We got some Moat Mountain stickers. Fear no beer. That is a fantastic motto, especially for us beer seekers. We're trying to share all the beers with the world, so you can't fear any of them. MMBC, Moat Mountain Beer Company, I would imagine. Yeah, that's their logo. Got two of those. And then Moat Mountain Smokehouse and Brewing Co. Don't forget that they've got a smokehouse, folks. You can go there and drink, eat, and stay over. They have an inn, so you can go and, well, you can go live there if you want to. There you go. Go live at Moat Mountain. So there's that. Now let's see. Oh, before I get to the money item, I can already see it. Let me dig through here a little bit. We've got these little keychains, and drawing a blank on what these are actually called. Rock climbers would know, I would not know. So, but they're branded. There you go. Two of these little guys, but they got keychains on. The money item right here. Long sleeve tee. Hold on. Front's got the logo on it. It's all black. Fear no beer on the sides. Wait for it. Czech Pilsner on the back. What more can you ask for? They got the Czech Pilsner beer on the back. You know I love Czech Pilsners, so there you go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's the good one right there. Now let me set that up there. Now we get to the real stuff, the beer. We weren't expecting to get this much beer. There's 8 beers in there. So let's start off with what you just saw, the Czech Pilsner. We got a Czech Pilsner. This is a great beer. This is the only one I've actually had from them. We're gonna go back up in August though and have a bunch more and try all these other ones soon that you see in here. We'll share our findings with you for sure. So Czech Pilsner to match my shirt. You better believe I'll be wearing a shirt drinking a Pilsner. And then let's see, we'll go to the July 4th looking ones next. We got a couple of Iron Mike Pale Ales, American Pale Ales. These guys come in at 5.6%, so there's 2 of those. Those up there. We got ourselves a Hoffman Vice, so that's an interesting one. It's a Bavarian style wheat beer. Moat Mountain's very into creating Central and Eastern European beers because they feel they're underrepresented by breweries here in the US, and it's hard to disagree with that. It's hard to find these things, but it's a very cool kind of, it's a cool path they went down, and they have a lot of interesting beers, but they also have the stuff that you would, you'd normally look for, such as Scottys IPA. We got ourselves a 6.3% IPA. Nothing crazy here. This is, most beer lovers are probably gonna enjoy this, so we'll give it a shot, obviously. I haven't had this one yet. So there's that one, another IPA there. Let's see. Next up, I already see one I'm excited about, but I'm gonna save that for last. Miss V's Blueberry Ale. So that's an interesting one. I've said this before, but when I see fruit, I used to get a little, put off by the idea that there was fruit in my beer. Now I've found a lot that it's very subtle and it's actually very good. So fear no beer, as they say. And we're gonna give that one a try for sure. It's probably super refreshing. And yeah, you just gotta give it a shot and go with it. Second to last beer, we got one left after this. This one's the East Intervale IPA. It's a session IPA, so you can have a few of them. 4.5% ABV. Check out that can art. I would imagine that is Moat Mountain in all its glory right there, looking good. Last one, This is a special beer. Moat Mountain has just celebrated their 20th anniversary with this double IPA. This is their new release to commemorate that, and we're super excited for them. Hannah, Steve, you guys, cheers to you for 20 years. We've only known you a couple months, but it's you're great people, and it's easy to see why you guys are still doing what you're doing and having fun with it and doing it well. So cheers to you guys. Cheers to, thank you for sending all of this great stuff. We cannot wait to go up there and pay you guys a visit, chow on some food, drink some beers, and test out the inn while we're at it. We might as well get the whole experience. So we'll see y'all later in the summer. But beer seekers, try out Moat Mountain. You can find them in Maine, New Hampshire, and Massachusetts as far as distribution goes. They're located in North Conway, New Hampshire. Follow them on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, the whole deal, and follow BeerSighted on all those as well. BeerSighted.com is where you can find all of our stuff. Cheers, beer seekers.